Hi, today I want to show you how to use the internal plugin of the Theta V to run the remote playback. I'm using a Miracast USB dongle because my Samsung TV is quite old. And if you have a newer TV, maybe the Miracast feature is already built in, so you don't need this one. But it's also good to have one. Then I can carry to on my holidays. So if I go to the hotel, if the TV hasn't got Miracast feature, then I can just plug this in. This basically go into the HDMI input of the TV, and you need a power supply. This go to USB, and normally at the back of the TV there's a USB jack as well. So I basically get the power from the back of the TV. I'm not going to the details of the AnyCast dongle because I've already created a video some time ago. The only thing I want to show you is that here is the button to switch between AirPlay for iOS and Android Miracast. I'm going to show you right now. You can see here, when I just plug in the Miracast dongle to the TV, and by default it will show the AirPlay mode here. So I have to go to the back and press the button. Then it will jump to the Miracast mode. So the next thing is I have to turn on the Theta V. So after it's up, then you have to press the mode button and hold it for a while until the light become white here, the LED. Yes, you can see now it's running in the plug-in mode, and you will see after a while the TV will switch to the camera. I also put a note here, just make it easier in case I keep on forgetting how to turn it on, and also for the timer I put a note here. Okay, now it's switched over. Now my Theta V is connected to the Miracast dongle, and at the moment nothing happens. I need to press the button here. Then you will see there's an arrow here moving. Okay, it's a little bit hard to navigate. And at the moment my camera has got 3 photos. I need to click on one of them. So, and you can drag it and turn around. And I can zoom it. I need to click on the photo, and there's a little bit hard to navigate. The only thing I don't really like is I can't switch to next photo or the previous photo. There's no way I have to go back out here and click on next photo. So it's a little bit hard to navigate. I would browse my photo from my computer, but this is good if I'm when I travel to somewhere and if I only have access to a TV, then I can plug the dongle in and browse the photos. If your hand is stretching too wide away, and you can reset the arrow back to the middle. make it disappear, come back to the middle, and press the button again, then the arrow will come back in the middle. So that's how it works to reset it. And if you want to turn this back off, you just hold the mode button again, and you will see the light will switch back to the normal mode, camera mode here. I hope you find this video useful, and if you like the video, give me a thumb up please. Thank you for watching, bye!